How do I install HP printer drivers on Windows? First, turn on the printer. Ensure your HP printer is powered on and connected to your computer via USB or network. Second, visit the HP support website. Open your web browser and go to the HP support site, support.hp.com. Third, search for your printer model. In the search bar, enter your HP printer model and press enter. Fourth, select drivers. From the search results, click on your printer and navigate to the Drivers section. Fifth, choose your operating system. Confirm that Windows is selected as your operating system, then find and click Download next to the latest driver version. 6. Run the driver installer. After the download completes, open the file to start the installation process. 7. Follow on-screen instructions. Complete the setup by following the prompts provided by the installer. 8. Restart your computer. If prompted, restart your computer to finalize the driver installation. 9. Test the printer. Print a test page to ensure your printer is working properly.